Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Then, una we know we video ni ya no ri wa ri we. Ije imamo bon we no wo ni yebo. Because o there we page me. Oge no. Ame we a page give no ya de. And o ku se ke no ruwe page da do ge olele biele no. Olele biele. No. So, if I am let alone to decide that, ije no ge son no well. I will tell you with all due respect, all things have passed away. Let's open a new chapter for our Titi. And let's start counting from 2022. For me, with all due respect, I will say, let's start counting and watching our Titi from 2022. Salobwa ne gimi ya fi with it. Salobwa no dolo hoje. No dollar is yakinoma. I remember Kobe nati tia son ya guade de we asaboro is. Eni ya ma ovizeji a ovi mase kinovi ka ajiji. Na keva reiba. Ivi gwe uto ya emi woko ya. Runda. Awano gele oneme fo. Ogado akuro. Igbonu yeni tieni. Nama iwejere ati nye. Owe latin. Na veti ogamati ese. Omu ya mebeje. Meti memo una pe o se na wa vigot na we nwi ho ya fe bo tu legba no rira gbon na ni unye yike no we leti nupo no de yi mana yi na titiri ro ye ne fe eri ya yin ko je tu ma bere ntani ma bere de gbe vigot ya te ya we ije do ire bi gwe wala o igweje unwo ya unwo igweje bebe igweje unwo ya unwo na titiri ro bi ni keniro wodo keni mu jari ya o keni ma gwa titi gwa na titi gugun o keni agba soso mi gbe yeye o keni agba do kini gbe le o keke no ri aje keni fi mo ne o keni ma fi mo ne o wala o atiti o no si won well ati ogo meje do spoke wala wo wa gebe na go tiwa wa gebe na go siwa wa gebe na wo ma obi edo enu la oje no gi la ho. So I hope I've been able to answer you. Obi edo ehin efe won akenisi obi won akenisi efe won o enimi.
Yes, so my people, how on a day? I hope everything dey okay, everybody dey alright. This na Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. If for Edo for Tafia for Amibo, and I know how they go now. And so the rules and regulation be here, my people. Yes, so where eta come from? Na fit us where that name come from? Yeah, eta na name wey derives from 3 letters. How the 3 letters take come? ETA. E na for Edo, T na for Tafia for Amibo. Na so if you pronounce the 3 letters together, it will give you eta. ETA. Na so it be. Anyway, make we just go to why we come here today. Why we come here today? Na see the picture we did there, yeah, from the far left now, the one we did the middle now, Sabro, the one we did the far right now, Mama Miller. So what did then be say a few days ago or something like that, Titiana Sabro then day in the union, the day like union something, you understand what I mean? And then what can do now say Mama Miller not too like how did something go? Why you know not say too like not to like him, but what did they say? She they ask Asabro say whether Asabro know the history of Atiti, what Atiti don't do to women, especially adult women. You understand what I mean? Without Asabro no. So Mama Miller can list so many things for Asabro whether Asabro no. In a way, she just make response video, or maybe not really response video, or maybe response video, yes, to the video of them with the circulate of Titi and Asabro with the circulate. So she make response video to that video, but specifically directly to Asabro. So Asabro can put the video. She can't respond to the video back to Mama Miller because she not feel like she pretend to be deaf or maybe she turn blind eye to the video. We say Mama Miller do. So she say yeah, she see and so she go reply and I make her reply. So this video now we want to bring out today because of an we did here today. Yes, because of say Mama Miller asked me several questions like what I first talk say whether Asabro knows say Atiti don't insult women in general, especially do women. And as Atiti they do and Atiti not get remorse then she just see they do and even insult the men joiner and they can't even talk say I mean make I just keep that one because of say the way Mama Miller talk and not just too good in a way. So Asabro can reply to everything I will be saying Mama Miller ask her, you get me? So yes, and then the things we did there because they beg Mama Miller, where Asabro can beg Mama Miller, she just nailed down, she was on her nails. So she just beg and everything. She say she used this minute to beg Mama Miller. At the same time, you still use and beg the rest women. Every other woman will be saying and feel like Satiti don't offend in the past or maybe today or the near in the near past or I mean like not quite long ago, made they forgive Atiti because of her. So she in fact like what I told you, she just used the media until they beg say Atiti na everybody, Atiti na I do man and everything. Say maybe if you don't already offend somebody they passed or anything like that. They don't know if you just drive and put for wilderness. Abi, yeah. They don't know if you just drive and put for wilderness or drive and put for white forest, make a white animal kill them or something like that. We need to accept her now because now I don't man and things like that now own. So she really beg where like what I told you just now, she just talk with them much. And every question will be say Mama Miller ask, she put answer to them. It's because Mama Miller asked so many questions. She put answer to every one of them. And so it just be. So right now without further ado, maybe not you make her just take too much or make her not delay on time too much. Make we just do that. Make we train our sister Asabro. She really wants her to beg for a man, a friend, and everything. And I mean, so make we just listen to us. We listen to her. May Baba God continue to the bless you with our family. Now hear me and do well. Now bye.
You know, in life, when trying to get to the top, you must surely come across so many storms. The ability for you to kind of do away with it or a kind of manage it, provided you get to the top, makes you who you are. So there are some things you really don't need to draw my attention to, because if I decide to begin to I'm giving an instance, because if I begin to say let me answer everybody, I might fall into trouble. Yes, I might fall into trouble. So please, if you really know you love me, you're there for me, you're watching my back, watch carefully, peacefully, and politely. You get in if you don't want me to fall into trouble in the hands of anybody. And DJ Nugi, okay, fall in love with what happened. Yes, Atiti obi mayano or team mayano. Then I mewe or do mu bejimu dane ekenga lane eimo bogiai. Atiti obi edoeno. So pano amae devini beya balo or ya tau or agua guano magua moejo guano magua momo ye bijeno or kai kamao imae. Egeni, I was not into the business of page or subscribe to YouTube channel. Imagine awo. Ya wa ta logo na Facebook igbe fún eraje. So iwa aragbon igbe fún eraje so pa imaru with a page. So now that I deem it fit is necessary. If not, you made the do okay now loud now you way. In as much as he came out publicly, I repeat, publicly. So he wo you dere ana because owa bunwazana ayubu abapo ma de no gbaho. And I'm okay. Let me quickly start from some. Mommy, where say no we la video do ya ne Tanya so much appreciate it. We are tower Lord why you get here. We don't na me we fall in love with now. Or we another Z do no we do u ta video. Nisi get tazai. Nda wani buri win na akutane ya dolo do kwen weji. Oye do ikisese enu tani we won wa wefe menu we na agi kena kere menu efe no yo ha kenisi efe ohe oye nini o ha kenisi menu and we te mo baba ya wa zi ge ya wa pin ni we oje do wo inota okay when is the do no kwa good una inota we via ga jeve ni patiti ga mu maru vie wa nota ni se ije maru we page e Facebook oh my gosh maru we my goodness imaru we okmo e ga je mommy milakin imaru we ahiata dina a fan or me mave betin henini milakin I don't know I kama we doing very dem de ni ya zedo no ruwedo I kama because uje won ari mo egun me we ina ani hin ije gbale milakin ma mi ina bete ne ma mi milakin owu ma gba ne o ma gba ne do sorry o yare a page now okay then I went there matter only here when you what about me now okay let me check see some matter gbe you get 27 minutes and some seconds ega so mama milakin obi do ihin kakabo we de keniga aje vege ni imare page je when we meeting aje amo boy me na wo you gele do la ona we odu agbon we gbegbe so we were no way ije no geo adere edowe ununo wane oya go ye egun aberio that gun awo wa mine ureva and every year no what did you be careful everybody have his own life aside median that gun we iye ko wa mine okedo dine azagba be ni mi je o mine and again we tell you get up when na we now to fall in love now what are you getting what a love ije marokpa ori egbe na ibe na set ibe ya odan igbe atiti ri abe kakabo ori aboho kakihu kate and leva be se vaje nuke wa wuma gele ge video ma be ge mebo be miebo iwe kujo wa miewe we ya no bi na mo ya pa eso ga we ja ije no biona ijo pa koko wa ijo pa biwa rundu ni me dawa doge no dona be ga wa agwa oloba atiti ro wie ori kwedo o ma sokmo no sokma no ka we nu ne ro wo ilahin e ba ni enwa kepa ikwejo e ma we na gbe o na re we mi no keke edo we unu anwa ni sokma je a ma ka ni awa titi doze ni na wa se anu wa do ehia edo we na ya yore we so I hope I've been able to answer you because no your boo so when you was get not the maybe where if you're and I want to quickly appeal to my fans and my lovers, my unique and genuine fans. You know, in life, when trying to get to the top, you must surely come across so many storms. The ability for you to kind of do away with it or a kind of manage it, provided you get to the top, makes you who you are. So there are some things you really don't need to draw my attention to, because if I decide to begin to I'm giving an instance, because if I begin to say let me answer everybody, I might fall into trouble. Yes, I might fall into trouble. So please, if you really know you love me, you're there for me, you're watching my back, watch carefully, peacefully and politely. You get in if you don't want me to fall into trouble in the hands of anybody. And DJ Nuge, okay, fall in love with what happened. Yes, atiti obi mayaino or team mayaino. dena na imiewe odo mu gbeji mu dane ikenga lame imo bogiai atiti owi edo eno so pano amae demi ni gbe ya balo o ya ta o agwa gwano magwa mo ejo gwano magwa momo ye gbije no o kan wa o imae egeni I was not into the business of page or subscribe to YouTube channel imare na imemae ya wa ta logo na Facebook igbe fun eraje so iwa aragbon igbe fun eraje so pa imaru with a page. So now that I deem it fit is necessary, you know, you made the way okay, now loud, now you way. In as much as he came out publicly, I repeat, publicly. So he ain't war you with the because wa boomwazana ayuba bapo man then back way. And now okay, let me quickly start from somewhere. Mama tag and I ask for me mama ta boy we be agwe gwan le ni titi ban titi kirewo titi gewo now titi area titi no bo ma verie e me don't understand me so boy me na be la ta le ni titi udigbe titi agewu titi ehwa gugun titi owo bi oba owo bi enigi owo bi edin owo bi otiti titi won moko titi ugari ko titi uga boy eyeye verie wage bon sero so ije imejebe imi akia no dawe dogba gbomo gini tigwe atiti wa berin ko e mata no atiti ojoja ni ko ikwejo imaka go ma ama uni ira meji atiti o ko seke no iwe ebe igba agiage so ni me ma be bege gime atiti si obiri gbobara agai ma wa ho mo dane gbe enje mommy mi laki agai ma wa se anu wa we hin averi o nege mi full stop igo mommy la ho anya je veri o ti le latiti izo se friend atiti a wa ni so pa anya wa zingbe no waria. Some people are meant to be teach or be taught with love. One amena when you work with so no ye ne do zo e bo na enenu no do mu efi wala. So no ye na me we oma if you're in the UK here that's some people may ata so na go wina. Learning disabilities. So it is love and tolerance. Distraction is the key. Yes, Mama. Distraction is the key. You need to teach them with love and tolerance. If you cannot tolerate them, you can't be with them. You see in Nigeria. If you don't love them, it is written obviously over you where I don't know nothing going on. You understand? So I deem it fit. I took it upon myself. I'm not dating him. I'm not dating him. Anyway, I am not dating Atiti. Atiti need to be transformed. A monedo va yayo Atiti hin or etino. But I'm not here easy. That's why I'm with Urovie. That's why I'm Munya Jaga. That's why Jojani Ogin Agaima. Ogin Kugaima. So I was saying, I saw when and what with social media. I live in UK. He lives in Spain. I make bibo. I might walk it. When I want young, I was a I went at young Ben and I will marry the taloy. But only matter we own. Eta me benarakba. Disa. Mommy. Eta me be or we talo or plus civil lage. No be talo kako na talo plus civil lage. Keda doge yado. So anytime anybody be a fee, okay, nasa borona tana dem ataro na babe la sefe na de ikpima ni bon a fi wedie no be bege we mataro wakona na lao da doge me no ya mudi akeme no ya yet as in it kind of support me na ya re that dollar aro. Na ya see me like make me get tired of doing it. Ye timeje na re nimi yare ama. Oni na ro nije. Then una we no we wa video ni ya no ri wa kin we. Ije imamo bo we no wo ni yebo because o there we page me. Oge no. Ame we a page give no ya dey. And uku se ke no ruwe page da doge olele biele no. Olele biele. No. So if I am let alone to decide that ije no ge son no well, I will tell you with all due respect, all things have passed away. Let's open a new chapter for Atiti and let's start counting from 2022. For me, with all due respect, I will say, let's start counting and watching Atiti from 2022. Salobwa ne gimi ya fi wede. Salobwa no dolo ya no dolo hoje. No dolo eji ya kinoma. I remember kobe na titi ya son ya kwade de we asaboro es. Eni ya ma ovizeji a ovi mase kinovi ka ajiji. Na keba ge ikba. Ivi gwe uto ya emi wuko ya. Nda. Awano gele o neme fo. Oga do akuro. Igbonu yeni tieni na ma imejere ati ni owe ladian. Na veti oga mati ese ohun ya mebeje. Meti memo una pe. O se na wa vigot na we. Nwi ho ya fe bo tu legba. No rira gbona ni. Unye yike no we leti nupo. No de yi mana yi. Na titiri ro ye ne fe. Iri ya emi okoje. Tuma bere, mutani ma bere. De gbe vigwo to. Ya te ya we. Ije. Doi, ire vigwe. Wala o. Ko igweje. Uwo ya won re igweje. Bere igweje. Uwo ya won na titiri ro ye ne. Keniro wodo. Keni mu jariyan o. Keni ma gwa titi gwa na titi gugun o. Keni agba soso mi gbe yeye o. Keni agba jwa kini gbe ne o. Keke no riri aje. Keni fi mo ne o. Keni me fi mo ne o. Wala o. Atiti o no si won we lati. Ogo meje do spoke. Wala wo. Wa gebe na go tiwa. Wa gebe na go siwa. Wa gebe na we ma obi edo eno. La o jenogi. La o. So I hope I've been able to answer you. Obi edo yin efe. Oha kenisi. Obi oha kenisi ki efe ohe o enimi. Because we know what we na gigbe me. Ile ihian. Ira na do maji. Amari matter for me o. So la o jenije. Yo bo we ko we de ba me. Ye tin ba me tin. Adobo mi o ka you know ze mo bego ene. Inu ya gun. Ra. O so ge do ya we sin ori ku o so ri ku do ya we sin. Ikweyo. Owo ja ya sin me wo ma. Nla o. Be no wa we na aju no wa khare no ma gegbe. O ga so adobo mama so nu baba. E dera o. La ho. Egbe be wo ene. So na la wo na yin kwere. Uwe ya no we bi ene kino ga ere ni do bi e. Keni pe ane keni me han pe a. Unye yi se gba panu reko wala ho. Wo diga izedo no gbegbo na ma we do na ma we gbegbo. You people should tamper justice with mercy. Don't worry about gbera la o fi mi. E ma ka go ma o. Awo ma o ere meji. Atiti u. Ija. Atara obere. Atiti u. Wa o. Ije la o. Wa ya la o. Ige ti da so ni papa. Ona ibe ladian. Ona ibe ladian. Ije la o. Ni gbagbe wi gwe a. Wala wo. So I hope I've been able to answer you, J. And please, lovers, fans, unique and genuine people of mine. Wala o. It's not a video you see you will draw my attention to. No. WhatsApp in phone. No. Because if I begin to look, it has a target, okay. Because okay, something may draw his attention to the me banana with dog by. What it do? My money make my banana with it. I don't need stress for my life at all. You just say, money if you're way by. Near the cook, na maze ku work meze. Imani de video. This is can't do Nino when you quick na work, you know. Magwala video. Because in the journey of life, almost to seke, any so. I am so I smart, so I sharp, so I just so and then my own so okpa must to fear in the journey of life. So you might on one door in on it. On one door, Jimmy, the Jibu, Yavia be. Let it be at our home or form a beer or second wood done at me. You getting it? So not allow. So you will have a must soak more by you. Wallow, why you wearing. Is my voice loud at all? Wakwe ni meta. So wala wo ije lao. Inotanuriere edori nwanyeji. I hope you find a place in your heart to accept my apology. It's a sincere one. Believe me, it is a sincere apology. Please find a space in your heart to collect this one. We all offend each other every day, directly or indirectly. We do. But please. When they love, when you can ever fall in love. Imaroni you where's doesn't mean one thing or the other. No. They just love you naturally. You have got children as well. I will manage the parents know. Oh, I want you to be the godmother to my child. Yes. So if peradventure somebody not just okay, it's like that. So please join me to solicit on his behalf. He is deeply sorry. Atiti is deeply sorry. Let's put an eye on him. Let's keep watch and see if there is no changes. If it does not change, even that is me. That's why I have nothing hidden. If you're dealing with anybody that is out as well, everything should be done outside before you take it indoor. You have to clear your mess outside first and foremost. If you try to start it indoor, it ends outside. If you start it indoor secretly, especially when wisdom is not applied, it will definitely pop out. You cannot hide it. There's no hidden place for it. It will definitely pop out. Even in an agreement, that is spoken me video. You getting it? So he just asked me out, though I thought it was a joke. But seeing everything parading everywhere, like wow, like an like ambulance. So me doing now you pranky. Are you getting it? So that's how it all happened, Mama. I am deeply sorry, and I repeat, I am highly sorry. Even here you're tired. I am sorry. He is sorry for his wrong deeds and for the wrong words he used on women, especially the those and all that, aged ones, young ones, mothers, single mothers, young girls, old ladies, and all. Please, he is deeply sorry. He is sorry. Someone must solicit on your behalf. That's just the gospel truth. Him alone cannot even do it. I pleaded with Mr. Agameya Wefe. I pleaded with him and his wife yesterday. by the special grace of God, I know it's not going to be once. It's a gradual process, because Atiti deeds was not just once. It wasn't once. So it's going to be a gradual process. Let's try and help him. Let's try and help him. Let's see how positive it turns out. So I want to quickly get ready for my walk. I want to take my shower. In the evening, I will definitely come back when I'm done with my job. So please, lovers, please help me to share this video so it gets to Mama Milaki. And this Mama Milaki, I know I've not even seen her. I don't even know her. Is she the one that do video with her facial look, or she's just always on audio? I wanted to do audio as well. When I saw her with audio, I said it's a sign of disrespect. In as much as my face has always is on the media. So for the fact that she comes out with audio, I really don't need to answer her with audio. Now, if you all when you getting it? So I don't know. Before God and man, I've not seen her. Before God and man, I've not seen her. I cannot say I don't know her. She speaks Benin, and from her voice, she's an elderly person. You understand? So Mama, Egwe.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.